Ford Ranger wheel spacers are common modifications for car mode lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Ford Ranger wheel spacers are available in two types, one with hub-centric and one without hub-centric. Recommend installing the wheel spacers with hub-centric. The Ford Ranger wheel spacer can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the hub-centric Ford Ranger wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Ford Ranger wheel spacer have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer, and the BONOSS Ford Ranger wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and stress than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, the bloxsport active cooling for the Ranger wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation group to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, though it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches, such as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat discharge effect and improve safety. So, if you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Ford Ranger, remember to choose the ones with hub-centric.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.